day after tuning. Thanks for the intro, man. And I figured out my transmission problem. Check this out. Last night, Mai said he seen some sparks coming from the car. Huh? Nah, that's probably on mine. Why you tripping? Nah, I ain't know until I got home. And then, well, smelling a smell, turns out my axle seal leaked all the transmission fluid out. Then I come down here or whatever, and then we have this. Bro, what happened, bro? Bro, I sent the rod out the transmission. Oh my God, bro. Let's have a little race, Mai.
He blew all his B series engine. Now he's gonna
K series transmission,
bro. You can't win with this thing.
I need to sell the car, bro. I need to get me a Ford or something, bro. Ma, hook me up, bro. I need a Ford, bro. I need a Ford Mustang GT, bro. 2000.
Nah, your fish sound quick.
Run over the crowd and shit. Right now, I'm gonna head over to Randy's house because Randy's gonna be a Samaritan and lend me his trains until I buy a couple things. Making our way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. Yeah! Just now leaving Ranlo's. Loaded up, got some tools, got the trunk and the trizonk. Now home and get my car back on the road. Go back. That's my throwout bearing, bro. Did you grease this? Nah, yeah. I did. Fork didn't bend, so that's cool. Spring broke. Cool. Locked. See if the clutch is still salvageable. Oh God. Clutch is good. Flywheel is good. I just need one of these. Transmission wizard Randy at this job. See how messed up this thing is on the inside. Well, this is the trans. Shavings done.
I took every plastic piece in there. You ran this bitch
dry, bro. That axle seal wasted. I don't know how I forgot to, bro.
Savage.
This whole train.
I mean, his bell housing is
the bell housing is good.
Casing.
Yeah.
And new gears and shit.
Yeah, it's rebuildable. Jesus Christ. That's first gear, bro.
You ain't gonna buy that shit.
Yeah. I can't sell this. I thought I just had like locked up gears or whatever. Okay, so I left the vlog camera at home and you guys missed an epic, well, I don't say you missed it. Well, it wasn't epic, but Mai did get pulled over during a pool. Bro, Mai got like 6 speeding tickets in the past 3 years, bro. Boy's ridiculous. But we're back at the crib. Mai and Randy actually just left to go get grease so I can lube up the shaft. Then from there, put some grease on that boy and then get this gearbox installed on the block. Can't say training, bro. Gearbox. You see me? So it's the next day from yesterday of doing the whole tranny swap and everything. And look how clean my garage is, bro. Oh, wow. Let's just admire the... Well, don't worry about that but stuff. But, oh, boy, kind of clean, boy. But here we have... Whoa. Bumper's back on. And when I left the bumper in the house, it got paint, you know, messed up right there. And I think this will come out, I think. Is that a paint trap, too? Yeah. Is that paint? Yeah, so I gotta clear that up. And then right here, that came back from the paint shop months ago when I first got the bumper repainted. So got a lot of stuff to So I'm just gonna fill that in with some what's it called, touch-up paint, which I have somewhere, not in here right now. But check me out, bro. Check out the ice. Yeah. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. That is beautiful, bro. Holy hell, that's beautiful. Jeez. But got the cables in, got the trans in, got me old shift selector in. Yes, man. My beautiful valve cover is getting ruined by my hood. I have to cut that out, but man, I need to get this damn valve cover freaking detailed so I can get all that dirt and crap off. But check your boy out, son. Wow, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Now, unfortunately, I cannot drive the car right now because I need gearbox fluid and I need engine oil. And I don't have neither of those things. Well, obviously, that's why I can't drive the car. So I have to wait till my mom gets back to head up to the store, put some gearbox fluid in, engine oil in, and I am going to be running 5W30 Pennzoil full synthetic because this video is sponsored by Pennzoil. I wish. Transmission's in, it's fixed for the most part, I think. All I need to do is just put gearbox fluid and drive the thing and make sure my clutch is actually in fact still good, even though it looked good on paper. When I took it all out, it looked good, but you never know what's inside the transmission. You just never know. My mom gets back, I'll run out to the store, get some oil, get some thing in here, and dry this bad boy for y'all for the one time, It's nighttime, but Mai came to pick me up to get some oil. What is he doing? Is he about to lunch now? Oh, what are you doing? A little bit. Bro, I got limited edition oil, bro. Okay, so it's the next day again, and fluids have been added. Everything good. Drove the car last night. Then we have a sweet little boy. Boy in the hatch, y'all. Boy, hatch running. Let's go do some pulls, bro. Let's go race. Wanna race?
Nope. No more racing for that.
Why, bro?
Can't go through the
I feel you, bro. I also shouldn't be racing either. I don't want to send a rod out Randy's transmission.
So wait, hold on. So if I drive it, right, and I beat on it, and I send a rod out transmission, does that mean that's my fault?
Yup.
For not driving that bitch.
Hey, nice shifter, bro. Whoa. And you got a spoon knob too?
Thanks, bro.
Hey man, you welcome, bro. I didn't know you were this fast. Wow. Oh my, air freshener?
Yep.
Wow, bro. With some cheeks on the back?
Wow.
Man, you living life, bro. I should totally not forget my phone.
You forget your phone?
Yup. Woo! Got bolts to attach my bumper securely to the fender, and now I should have no more issues.
Shit.
Yeah, you should have went out the other one. We low, boy! Hey, bro, do a pull. Right across, like just right across.
You ready?
Yup.
Go right now?
Yup. Yeah, you need it too.
That was gas.
Oh, your gas? Oh yeah, that would do it too. Sounds like me. There you go. I tried doing a pull last night and my thing was bogging like bad. I'm trying to put gas in the car, man.
Let's put it out later.
Yeah, I'm down. Now it's time to do a pull to close out this video. Because this vlog has been going on for like 3 days now. So let's do a pull and close it out.